What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. We got Alejandro's truck here. We're gonna give you guys a walk around. The owner, oh, what's your Instagram and everything? You give a shout out?
Anomaly_M.
What? I talked right over you. What was that?
Anomaly_M.
All right, cool. I'll put it up on the screen. He brought his Colorado. What is this, a 2018 or?
2020.
Oh, it's a 2020.
Work truck, 4-wheel drive.
All right, he's gonna give us a walk around. I'll get you a closer view and closer to him for the microphone. But the point is, we're gonna do a wheel swap program. We're gonna take his off, put the Innovate wheels, but we did it for 32s just for normal stockish trucks to be able to take advantage of it, and this isn't stock at all. So he's gonna take Pismo. We'll try to record a couple trips, but yeah, he's got 35s and he's downgrading to 32s just to play with the wheels. So give him a shout out. That's pretty dope. I don't know anyone that would downgrade. And by downgrade, I mean tire size, not wheels. This is Hector and his 35s. We'll reference his truck in a little bit. This is when we painted his calipers a while ago. So you're not gonna find an upgrade in wheels. As far as personal preference, you might find something you like better, but you cannot beat forged aluminum beadlocks and made in America for strength. And Larry's had them as part of this program. This is Martin's truck. You'll see him in future videos. We're gonna go with him and jump the Silverado. And after that, later on today, we're gonna go get them spec'd out and measured at Innovate. I'm gonna drive the new truck over there, and he's gonna make some wheels for the Silverado. Where'd you start? Did you start with the front or in the back?
I started with the bumper as the first thing that was the quickest one.
Did you do it all, or you took it to a shop?
The bumper, I did it all.
You did it all? How long did it take?
Welding it. About 2 hours.
About 2 hours? By yourself or?
By myself.
Damn. What'd you do next after that?
Light bar, just because that was the quickest thing to get.
Well, you had to finish that up too, huh?
Well, yeah, I left it blank for a little bit.
Now you got the RW wheels, friendly company. What'd you say? Did you pay retail for the Baja kits front end?
Discounted, Black Friday.
Discount? Nice, hell yeah. Then you got the ZR2 slider on there. What else have you done to the front besides the King setup and all that?
A lot of cutting, the McNeil fiberglass fenders.
Yeah, those were installed for you, or you did it? They were installed?
I did it.
Oh shoot, I thought you said they were installed, my bad.
I don't make enough to pay for labor.
Right? Yeah, so this is the same one that Hector has, huh?
Same kit.
And the blue diesel ZR2, yeah, this hasn't given him many problems really on his, because the ZR2, we were talking earlier off camera, sometimes the 4x4 gives him a little bit of a problem, but anytime you add travel, you're gonna give some other stuff up. But this is obviously a desert runner, not a crawler, so who cares? What'd you do to the rear?
Full deep relief pack and King shocks.
King shocks, also
adjustable compression, just like the front end.
Oh, all right. Do you do this through Baja kits, or you just piece this out little by little?
Through Baja kits. First got the shocks.
All right.
Then got the mini pack, wanted more, and got the full leaf pack.
And it was 4 month wait for both sets of shocks?
No, the shocks were on the shelf.
Oh, all right, nice. But you got them early, huh? A little bit, yeah. Right before.
Those after the front end, actually.
Oh, all right. Oh, wow.
They said they have them in stock. I'm on my way.
Yeah, good call, man. That's when I was telling him, that's when everybody, that was after the lockdown, a few months after. So everyone is getting told a year wait time. If you rebuild your shocks, they'll service you normal, supposedly. But for everything else, it's a year.
You can always take them to another shop that rebuilds shocks.
Oh, all right.
They'll get them done almost the same day if you have an appointment.
Okay, I've heard the same about King though too, that the rebuild is fine. But that's awesome that you could, that's just getting new ones. So sometimes the DSSVs leak on these. I've been okay, but I get a lot of the shocks that are takeoffs from people that upgrade to Kings like this. But, well, this was a Colorado, huh?
Yep.
You haven't scraped it? Well, you don't do crawling, no bumper scraping.
You'll see it.
Really? It's all, you do?
I have a hole in my oil pan that I covered up with JB weld.
Oh, how long did it last?
It was at Joshua Street. I saw the little leak.
Yeah.
And okay. So like, why is there oil on the floor?
Yeah. But you knew I cracked mine, right?
I didn't know that.
In Baja, I cracked it after a big jump, and the JB weld held for about 2-3 months. My whole oil pan was fractured though.
Mine was just like a pinhole.
Yeah,
so
nice.
I clean all the oil, like clean it all up,
yeah,
clean it up so it's all clean. And put the 24-hour set JB weld.
Yeah, that's what we did. I was in there with sandpaper and everything in Baja, whatever.
I got 15,000 miles on mine so far.
Nice. Damn.
JB weld on
with
it.
JB weld. Oh, just on the pan. How many miles does your truck have?
22.
22. Well, mine's got 85, I think, or 80. tricks. I'm gonna do a 100,000-mile wrap up next month, maybe. But all right, let's get started. We'll put the wheels on and we'll show them at the end.
There's also nitro gear 410s.
Oh shoot! All right. Did you?
I paid for it just because I didn't want to mess it up.
Yeah. A lot of is the rear also?
Yeah.
Nice. How's that worked out? A lot of people are really interested in that.
They go to 455s most of the time, but apparently the axles aren't like capable of holding that torque.
Oh, all right.
And 410s is still geared like, so if you're going like say 60, on 35s you're actually going like 57.
Yeah. You didn't get it recalibrated, the speedometer?
Trifecta tune.
All right, nice. GM engineers have recommended that tune to me over the other ones. Yeah, they said that's the one to go with.
You know how you have the throttle D10, right? So when you push it, there's another click.
Yeah.
The work truck doesn't have it.
Oh, all right.
So when you wanted to accelerate on this, it would lag without it.
Yeah.
So as soon as I got the tune,
I just took it all away. Yeah, no, and they're learned systems too. Even how it's an electronic throttle, it changes too on you. Whatever, it's not, but whatever. Everyone told me that the trifecta tune is the one that plays the best with it, and it doesn't flag the vents or something, is what they told me, like for your dealer when you take it in. But I don't know what warranty you got on this, so
it doesn't matter at this point.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, your warranty's gone.
And AV skid plate up front, just for the oil pan.
Oh, nice.
In the oil pan.
A lot of the AEV products fit, huh?
Yep.
So that one right there? Oh, nice. Yeah, I only have the simple skid package. I didn't get the full one on the ZR2.
Didn't want to risk another hole on mine.
Yeah. Well, even mine, just from jumping, it had a bunch of stress fractures. So you break them easy, and you looked into how expensive it is already, right, to fix it?
Well, the oil pan itself is cheap.
It's cheap, yeah, but it's like
you have to take everything apart.
It's like 2 days of labor at GM. Yeah, paying a tech. I paid some guy up here in Pomona. He charged me decent. I'll find his number for you if you want.
Hey, worst case, I was just gonna weld it.
You'll probably be fine. Just keep going until it starts leaking.
If it didn't work, I was gonna weld it.
Yeah, no, but keep going until it starts leaking. Well, I've been using it to hide like some bad welds too. I didn't know that it was a thing. But all right, let's get to work. Let's get the tires on. So you see a lot of builds out there and you never really know what to do. That's why I'm showing you guys. I found mid-travel to be kind of the sweet spot, especially if you don't want to cage it. To take advantage of any suspension, long travel, you need a cage. So this is pretty sweet. Hit them up on Instagram and what else we showcase for tips. So we got the 32s on there with the wheels. Looking a little funny because those cheeks, he doesn't need them with this, but doesn't look as bad. If he had normal fenders, even with all that suspension, he could pull it off. With 32s, not that he'd want to, but yeah, with those cheeks, it just it just looks funny. When you going to Pismo, you said?
If I end up going next Sunday.
Oh, it's next Sunday? Well, if you don't, we'll do a local trip or something. I've been dying to take this one out, so we'll see. But well, I could take the trailer. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll go. Hopefully, I'll show you guys some footage of him in Pismo. This is one of Alex's first passes in Pismo. They didn't keep recording, but you build up speed. For example, in the Raptor, on the day of shock tuning, we went through whoops like at 30 miles an hour. By the end of the day, we're going 90. You build up speed and confidence. Just be careful. A lot of people wreck their trucks on the first day of testing. If not, we'll get together and we'll record some stuff, a couple trips, and then we'll find another truck to put them on and see how they do on this. He probably won't be able to kill it. Just like everything else, even a full size, you'll destroy your truck before you destroy these wheels. So, anything else?
That's all I can think of right now.
He has other little mods and stuff, but we could go all day. That won't. I mean, just little headaches of cutting and trimming and stuff like that.
Wiring.
Yeah, wiring. Check them out on Instagram. If you're interested on doing this type of stuff, maybe hit them up. Will you give anyone any suggestions or any help or?
Get ready for a headache.
Yeah. All right. So whatever. So till next time, keep building your truck, keep modding your truck, keep making yourself new headaches, and keep it dirty.